students, welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are doing great and I'm sure you are excited to learn with me. So, myself Divyani Shukla, your SHA teacher, and today I'm going to start a very new chapter, which is chapter number 8, relaxation and recreation. Relaxation. How do we relax and what is recreation? Let's talk about what is recreation. Any activity which we like, or we can say any fun activity which we like is called recreation, by which our mind gets relaxed. So let's begin with this chapter. Write my favorite activity below the picture of something you love to do the most. So the activity which you love the most, you have to write your favorite one here. Like in the first picture, you can see the girl is doing a painting. So what will you write? The activity name is painting. Likewise, you can do the remaining three. Moving to the chapter, all work and no play can make us feel a little bored. We have fun when we do things that makes us happy. Sometimes we like to watch TV, sometimes we sing and dance, sometimes we play video games, sometimes we read story books. तो अगर हम काम करते रहेंगे लगातार और बिल्कुल भी कोई भी फन एक्टिविटी नहीं करेंगे, तो we will be get more bored. So we have to do any kind of activity which we like, or any fun activity, that is called recreational activity, by which our mind gets relaxed and we again feel fresh and energetic. These activities can be playing, singing, dancing, drawing, painting, singing, anything. Recreational activities. Activities in which we have fun are called recreational activities. Recreation helps us feel lively and refreshed. There are two kinds of recreational activities. So those activities in which we have fun are called recreational activities, which helps us feel lively, relaxed and refreshed. So there are two kinds of recreational activities. What are those? First is indoor activities, which we can play inside our homes. Indoor activities are fun things we can do inside our homes. We play indoor games like Ludo, chess, carom and snakes and ladder. So any activity or any fun things that we can do inside our home are called indoor activities, like Ludo, chess, carom, snake and ladder we can play at home. Next is outdoor activities, which we play outside our home. Outdoor activities are fun things we can do outside in the fresh air. Outside games keeps us fit and healthy. We play outdoor games like football, hockey and cricket. So any activity we play or we enjoy outside our home in the fresh air, by which we remain fit and healthy, are outdoor activities, like we play football, hockey or cricket. So these are all outdoor activities. We enjoy swing, seesaw, slides in the park. We go out for picnics. So these all are outdoor activities. You can see here are the pictures given of outdoor activities. We also go to a zoo. It is fun to watch wild animals in a zoo. We see lions, tigers and elephants. We enjoy puppet shows, dramas and circus. So other outdoor activities can be enjoying puppet show like dramas, circus, etc. We can go to zoo for watching wild animals like lions, tigers and elephants. We go to a restaurant to enjoy delicious food. We can eat pizzas, burgers and ice creams. We go out for shopping to buy new things. We can also go to shopping, by which our mind gets relaxed, or we can go to restaurant for enjoying delicious food. We can eat their pizzas, burgers and ice cream. We love to play with our pets. We can run and jump with them. Our pets makes us happy and keeps us active. So we can also play with our pets. This is also a recreational activity. We enjoy feeding the birds. We put bird seeds on a feeder. Birds like to eat and chirp happily. So we can also feed birds with some seeds on a bird feeder. So these are the activities by which we feel relaxed and refreshed. Now it's the time of act and learn. Read aloud. We run and play all day long. We sing and dance happy song. We laugh and cheer, fun to see, playing together you and me. So this is a kind of poem. We run and play all day long. यानी कि हम सारा दिन खेलते और सीखते हैं और पढ़ते हैं. We sang and dance happy song. हम गाते हैं और डांस करते हैं हैप्पी हैप्पी सॉन्ग्स पे. वी लाफ एंड चीयर फन टू सी. वी लाफ एंड चीयर यानी कि वी रिमेन हैप्पी. प्लेइंग टुगेदर यू एंड मी. वी प्ले टुगेदर. I hope students you have understood the topics of this chapter. Now it's the time of vocabulary. The first word is boring, not fun or interesting. Boring means anything which is anything by which from which we do not have any kind of fun or that is not interesting. Picnic, eating outside food with family or friends. Picnic means enjoying food with friends or family outside the home. Puppet, a small figure used in shows. Puppet is a small figure which is used in shows or dramas. Delicious, very tasty and yummy. Anything which is very tasty in food यानी कि जो बहुत हमें yummy लगता है, that is called delicious. Feeder, a place where birds feed. A place where birds eat, जहाँ पे birds खाती हैं, that is called a feeder. Now let us recall what we have learned in the chapter with some of the summary points. We have fun when we do things that makes us happy. So we have fun when we do the things which we like to eat, by which we relax and refresh our minds. Sometimes we like to watch TV. Recreation helps us feel lively and refreshed. So recreation helps us by which we feel lively and refreshed. Sometimes we like to watch TV. Sometimes we play. Sometimes we sing and dance, or we can play any outdoor or indoor games. Indoor activities are fun things that we can do inside our home, like playing Ludo, chess. Outdoor activities are fun things that we can do outside in the fresh air, like picnic, or we can play any outdoor game. We enjoy things, seesaws and slides in the park. We enjoy puppet shows, dramas and circus. We go to a restaurant to enjoy delicious food like burgers, ice creams, etc. We love to play with our pets and feed our birds. So this is all about the chapter. Now exercise time, think and answer. Moving to the first exercise. Take the correct option. What makes us feel refreshed? A, sleeping, B, recreation, or C, eating. Option number B, recreation. Which game is an indoor activity? Football, cricket, or Ludo? Ludo is indoor activity. Where do we watch wild animals? A, park, B, restaurant, C, zoo. Option number C is correct, zoo. What do we eat at a restaurant? Pizza, toys, or books? So what do we eat? Pizza. Option number A. What do we feed to birds? Fruits, milk, or seeds? Option number C, seeds. Next exercise. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Dash activity are fun things we can do inside our homes. तो हम घरों के अंदर क्या कर सकते हैं? Indoor activities. Outdoor games keeps us fit and healthy. We go to a dash to enjoy delicious food. We go to a restaurant. To enjoy delicious food. We love to play with our pets. Birds like to eat and chirp happily. Now, moving to the third exercise, tick for the true and cross for the false statement. We watch TV to have fun. Yes, this is true. Swings are an indoor activity. This is incorrect. We go to the zoo to see wild animals. Yes, this statement is also correct. You will put a tick. Playing with pets makes us happy. Yes, this is also true. We go to markets to read books. No, this is false. We go to market for buying items. Thank you, students. That's all for today. I hope you have understood it well. Now we'll meet in our next class with some new chapters. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Bye-bye, students.